as usual, we're going to talk about three stocks. I think these stocks, some of these are relatively new to you. Ideltech, the first stock, I think Sharia compliant. I think the reason why we picked this stock is from the chart itself, it has actually broken out from the triangle pattern yesterday. In other words, I think the rebound from the January 2024 low is pretty much intact. And I think if you look at the last candle itself, it is actually a bullish engulfing pattern. That is actually quite a strong signal. Moreover, I think the rebound actually lifted share price above its 30-day SMA. And thirdly, when you look at the indicators, RSI is also on the rising trend. So basically, I think if you look at this chart itself, there are quite a number of positive readings from the price pattern. Okay, I think we believe it will actually challenge 51.5 cent and subsequently 55.5 cent later. Second stock is actually DNO Green Technologies, Sharia compliant as well. I think if you look at the share price, if you look at the price pattern, it has actually, the pullback actually found its support around the 50-day SMA. Yesterday, share price did a strong comeback. It bounces back above the descending wedge pattern. So that itself signifies that the bulls are gaining momentum. I think it is important for the share price to actually make another white candle today, which eventually should bring the share price above the 30-day SMA. So with that, it will actually validate the positive momentum and carries the stock to the higher levels in the coming days. Third stock is actually Coraza Integrated Technology. I must say that I think the share price has been consolidating sideways to slightly downward bias for the last few months. But I think from the key takeaway here is that the 200-day SMA has been holding well since mid-May. So I think to me, that is probably the support that the share price is going to relies on in the immediate term. I think from yesterday's development, I think what is important is that the share price has swung back above its 30-day SMA again. So we believe this could be a telltale sign that it is going to kickstart a new upcycle again. Okay, I think in the past it did that before, but it wouldn't move too much away. So I think if you look at the three stocks, Coraza's reading will be the highest. Basically, it's for for those who have a highest appetite for volatility. Okay, RSI indicator is also rising, so it also reinforces our optimism. Okay, for I think Coraza, it's important to keep your stop at our stipulated support level. I think that is actually to keep your risk exposure limited.